Okay, we have to get our hands on that durian. Oh, this is our good durian guy over there. Yeah! Okay, and somewhere in that crowd, there's Chipsky, who's gonna be fighting for the freshest durians on the pier. Go Chipsky! Go Chipsky! Go Chipsky! I can't see him in the crowd. I can guarantee you he's in there fighting for the durian. Definitely not at the sidelines of the action. Otherwise, it's our crab watermelon day again. Beautiful afternoon in Banda Negra. I've just finished like a 6-hour snorkel. Hungry, very hungry, right? And there's Chippy opening up our durians. I love these durians. These are the bomb. Some very, very good durians on the bandas. They're all very small, as you can see, but delicious. And then we have these all coconuts. Bright and early in Banda Negra. Crystal clear water. Peeps preparing their boats. And the Pelny ship, which we came on from Fakwa, is here. Hopefully ours will come tomorrow as well. Otherwise we're stuck here. Hey, so it looks like we're gonna be living outside on the deck here on the Pelny for the next 12 hours. It's almost 5 p.m. now, after a miraculous story, which I'm not gonna share right now. It looks like we're gonna make it out of the bandas. And yes, check out the view behind me. Isn't it beautiful? This is where we're gonna be living, breathing, sleeping, hopefully not pooping and peeing for the next 12 hours. This is my patch on the Pelny. That looks like a toilet behind you, like people are coming out of there wet.
It's water.
Water. We're saying goodbye to the bandas. So where are we, Chippy?
I'm not sure where we are. Somewhere in Ambon. On the island of Ambon.
And this is the way the durian is sold here. Basically, there's so much durian around. The durian is sold in tompok's, which means a set or an can. A set of 8 durians or a set of 4 durians if you're going for a bigger one. And all the durians in a tompok will be from the same tree. We managed to actually separate a tompok, and we're eating amazing durians here. As you can see, there's many trees here. Some of the durians get amazingly big, and they're all uber fresh. They like to eat them very fresh. This is sticky, wet, as you can see. And now because we can't eat 4 at a time, we're just packing them for later. But I want to eat one more now.
You want to eat one more now?
Yeah. Amazing.
Makan satu lagi. I don't have anything to push them down, you know? I don't want any wounds anymore.
Yeah.
Maybe you have something?
A face mask or 2?
Yeah, this one is a little ripe, but that's good.
Wait, maybe I give you the t-shirt I'm wearing.
Okay. That looks the same but different. Oh, has a disease eater. But it looks creamy, right?
Wow.
Look at that. Look at that. That looks pretty good, right? Even better than the other one.
Really?
Way better. Yeah. This is 11 out of 10 durian.
Yeah? Oh wow. Is it Mentega?
Could be, right?
Could be Mentega.
Look at that.
Look how wrinkly it is. Wow. boat leaving to Saram Island from Ambon Island, sitting on this top deck, which by the way is unbelievably hot, right? Just getting full. It's full on the lower decks, and Chippy.
Ready to eat durian again.
Chippy has just opened up more durian because what do you do in Saram? Mainly you eat durian because there's just so much of it. Looks freaking amazing. Where are we heading now?
To the coconut stand.
And then?
Into nowhere.
Exploration?
Exploration.
What do you hope to find today?
Adventure. Well, we know the mangosteens are out of season, although I think there will be mangosteens. We know Champedak is 2 months from now. We know Tarap is here, and it's also 2 months from now.
Who would have thought there's Tarap in the Moluccas?
Right? Anyway, we haven't seen it yet, so...
This is our bike. We rented it just from a random dude, right? He was the doorman at a hotel, and he gave us his motorbike. This is how you do it here in Asia. And look at the view. This is the beautiful view we slept with today. And they're building some new huts with the palm trees. We had, coconuts for breakfast. This was our bungalow. Are we leaving?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at the size of that durian tree behind you.
Right?
Wow, pohon besar.
Pohonnya besar, iya.
Pohon durian.
Pohon durian.
Ada durian di pohon ini?
Ada.
Pohon durian Maluku Ambon.
Ada durian di pohon ini.
Ada, Mister.
Baru jatuh?
Baru jatuh.
Itu.
Ini?
Iya.
Ini baru jatuh?
Iya.
Di pohon ini?
Yeah.
Oh.
Mantap tuh.
This one smells amazing.
Oh my god, this one I love. I love the
I
one
love
he's
mantap.
got.
This one smells amazing.
Okay. Wow.
Oh yeah, that's the same as the one I had.
Abis itu Om. Iya Om. Papain rambut cantik.
Okay, that looks good.
Kamera kancah.
Berapa tahun pohon di sini?
50 tahun.
50? No.
Wow.
100.
Iya.
100, 200.
Wow. Look at the size of that tree. And there's durian hanging on it. And we've been seeing trees like this the whole day. Wow.
Wow.
Oh, mantap.
Mantap,
Super
Mister.
mantap. Super mantap. Numb honey and
Numb?
very good.
Wow. Wow.
And the third one actually as well, it has epiphytes on it.
This is one of the best durians I've ever eaten.
Oh, he's gonna open more.
He's gonna open more?
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Makan aja makan.
This is another one of the durians from the gigantic tree. It tastes amazing. This is seriously one of the best durians I've ever eaten. You know I wouldn't lie to you, right? This is, wow, this is like 12 out of 10. Beautiful Perginapan, which is a homestay. We had coconuts. This was our dinner last night, main part of it. There's a little restaurant going on here in the port. Peeps are eating durian in the morning. Hello. And we just made an attempt to eat pineapple in the morning rather than durian. This was a failed attempt as the piña may be good for rujak, maybe good for cooking, definitely not good for consumption at this stage. Hello. Okay, as you can see, it's very beautiful. See you. And this was our room. We slept in a Barbie bed, right? A very interesting bathroom, I have to show you. Toilet in the middle. I mean, what kind of a design is that? Right? I will never come up with it. Plenty of buckets. There you go. This is the kind of lodging, and we're very, very happy with it because we didn't actually expect a Perginapan this far. We were thinking we were going to sleep with the locals.